How to cut the children's skirt pattern. To cut the children's skirt pattern, first off, we have to fold the fabric twice, then cut it according to the pattern. And remember to leave about 2 cm free on the sides of the pattern. And now we're just going to cut the bottom side as well. When cutting the pattern, remember not to lift up the fabrics as you cut it. Instead, lay the fabrics on a flat surface and keep the scissor close to the surface so the pattern will not move. Then as you go along, trim the excess fabrics. For the top side, also leave about 2 cm free. To get the best result, make sure to cut the pattern symmetrically. Next, we are going to stitch the skirt. As shown in the video, number 1 is for the seams and number 2 is for the bottom side. Stitch the right sides of the seams and leave around 1 to 2 cm on the edges. The same goes for the other side of the fabric. After that, we are going to fold 1 cm of the bottom side and then stitch it as well. Next, we are going to stitch the waistband. To stitch the waistband to the fabric, first cut and fold it twice, and then bring both edges together until it forms a circle. And to put it on the skirt, stretch the waistband and then stitch it on the right side. Do this process until the whole waistband is assembled. Because here we are using a mini sewing machine, we need someone to help us to hold the sewing machine so the sewing machine will not move around. And there you go, now the children's skirt is now ready to use.